Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create hilarious, eye-catching memes using Canva, one of the easiest and most powerful design tools out there. Memes have completely taken over the internet. They're funny, relatable, and one of the best ways to express your thoughts or humor online. Whether you're looking to make your friends laugh, boost engagement on social media, or just share your creative side, this guide will help you master meme making in minutes. Let's dive in. First, open canva.com or the Canva app. In the search bar at the top, type meme and hit enter. You'll instantly see a wide collection of templates, from classic viral formats to trendy new styles. Take a moment to browse around and pick a design that matches the kind of meme you want to make. Choosing the right template sets the tone for your humor or message, so don't rush this part. Once you've found your favorite, click Customize this template. This will take you to Canva's design interface, your creative playground. Here's where the fun really begins. Click on the text boxes to edit the captions. This is where your joke or punchline comes to life. You can adjust the font, size, and color to fit your vibe. Go bold and dramatic, or keep it clean and subtle. Don't be afraid to experiment until it feels just right. Want to take it up a notch? You can replace the background image with your own photo, or even use Canva's free image and sticker library to make your meme stand out even more. When you're happy with your masterpiece, hit the download button in the top right corner. Choose JPEG or PNG. Both work great for posting online. And that's it. You've just created your very own meme with Canva. Now go ahead, share it on social media, send it to your group chats, or post it on your favorite platform. Who knows, your next meme might just go viral. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more quick design tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your next viral meme with Canva.